Okay, so this is something I noticed while reviewing footage from a recent seaplane flight, and it's kind of funny, but also a little annoying. Check out the GPS telemetry here, specifically the elevation. Yep, it's showing negative numbers. According to my GoPro, I'm flying underwater. So what's actually going on? The GoPro Hero 13 pulls elevation data from GPS, but when you're flying low over water, especially calm water, those signals can bounce around, the GPS gets confused, and that can lead to some weird readings, like this one. You'll see sudden drops or sometimes a flat line that's just completely off, or in this case, negative elevation. If you've ever tried overlaying telemetry on a seaplane footage, you've probably run into this too. There are a few ways to work around it though. First, using an external GPS logger, like a Garmin Glow or even a phone app, can give you more accurate elevation data. You can also combine GPS with barometric altitude from another device. Some editing tools let you sync the two for better results. Another option is cleaning things up in post-production. Apps like Dashware or Telemetry Overlay can smooth out those jumpy readings. And of course you could always just fly higher, like a normal airplane. But let's be honest, half the fun of seaplane flying is hugging the water. I'm not giving that up just to make my numbers look better. So if your elevation data looks weird, next time you're skimming across the lake, now you know why. And you've got a few ways to fix it, or at least laugh about it. Let me know if you found any other tricks. I'd love to hear what's worked for you.